Hey Louise, good afternoon. Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing. Wanted to get this screencast over to you about your business, my friend. Hey, love the wrap that you have. Great advertising for your business. That's awesome. So let's jump right in here. Today I'm going to be talking about really three things, primary things. Number one is content on your website, especially the home page, which is where we're at right now. The other one is backlinks. Those are ties to your website that come from places outside your website. So it could be from a blog, could be from any kind of a post, whether it be on Facebook, Instagram, that kind of thing. And then also the third thing is going to be citations. So citations would be your company name, phone number, website, and email address. And how many times does that appear online for your business? So that's called a citation. So those are the top three things that you can do. Now let's go through them real quick one by one. Don't want to take up too much of your time. However, looking on your website here, I love the color. It's got a good layout. However, one of the things that Google gives the most weight to is 1,500 words or more on your homepage. With that one thing, it helps you to rank up on the first page for the Google organic search. So that's something to keep in mind there. The other thing is backlinks. So I went ahead and put your business in a tool I have here called Ahrefs. And it's actually ahrefs.com. If you ever want to go on there, you think you can get a 2-week free account on there and put your stuff in there and use it. But this is a tool we use. So I plug this in, and there's a few things on here. So you have your UR and your DR. We'll get to that in a little bit. But more importantly, backlinks, you have 7. And those 7 backlinks are coming from these 5 referring domains. And those referring domains are all from some kind of coupon sites. So you can see here all of the different coupon sites that there are, just 5 of them. So that's where all your backlinks are coming from at this point. We can get some better quality links on there. You can find some better quality links if you go and look at the competition. You only have 2 organic keywords. So let's take a look at your competition real quick. Company in the number 1 position here is Timberline Landscaping. You're probably familiar with them. They have a little bit more content on their homepage, not a whole lot. The power they're getting is coming from here. We put them in the tool. So you see how the UR and the DR are significantly higher, 33 and 30, 678 backlinks coming from 268 referring domains. And wow, they have over 7,000 keywords. Okay, so those are all related to the industry. If I just click on those real quick to show you, look at there, everything from Christmas lights in Colorado Springs to overseeding lawn in Colorado Springs. Okay, so this shows all the backlinks that they have that's driving power to their site. So I wanted to show you that real quick as far as their keywords and how that relates to the backlinks. Okay, in number 2 position, we've got JTB. You're probably familiar with them also. They're in the number 2 position, organic search. And we plug them into the tool. They have an 18 and a 9 for their UR and DR, 60 backlinks from 28 referring domains, and 107 organic keywords. So there's our opportunity, my friend. Is between 1 and 2, as you can see, significant difference in backlinks, keywords, and also their ratings here. So there's a significant difference, in other words, between the number 1 and the number 2 position, and that's our opportunity for your company. Let's take a look at number 3 position though, and you can see also the difference there. Number 3 organic search, F&B Landscaping. We put them in there again, 20 and 3.4 on their popularity. 82 backlinks coming from 23 referring domains, and then the organic keywords are actually more than what's in the number 2 position. But the backlinks again are the most relative part. So if we click back to your website, right now this is what it looks like. So content, 1,500 words or more on the front page, relevant backlinks, and then citations. I ran a report for the citations for your company. And here you are right here, my friend. And you have 4 citations. We want that to be more like a couple hundred. And again, those would be blogs. Anywhere you can put your name, address, phone number, business number will create a citation for your company. So that gives you a good overview. Only other thing would be the Google My Business, which is you have I thought I put that up. You have a Google My Business account that looks to be a few years old. We can talk about that in the future if that's a need that you might have also. Thanks so much for your time. I'll shoot this over to you and let us know if there's anything we can do to help. Feel free to use all of these techniques yourself. No harm, no foul. Thank you very much.